Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to share and pin custom feeds on threads. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So Threads now lets you create custom feeds based on specific topics or interests. You can even pin or share them for easy access. To pin or share them, first open Threads app. Now here you can see the feeds at the top. There are For You feeds, Following feed, and a new Singer feed which I have made. Now all the feeds will be pinned at the top and you can easily open them by tapping on them. One thing you can do is to rearrange them. Now hold on any of the feed names and you get some options. Tap on Edit Feeds. Here you can see all the names of the feeds and beside them there is a 3-line icon. Hold any of them and move them up or down to rearrange them. Press done and now go back. Now as you can see, the first feed is the singer's feed. That's how you can rearrange or pin them first. Now to share them, you need to open Edit Feeds again. Now tap on the feed you want to share and scroll down. You can now see the option of View Feed. Tap on it and now the button of Share Feed will appear. Tap on it and share it wherever you want. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.